Hey guys, it's just a lazy Thursday afternoon here in my test kitchen. So Aero frosting, made up my own recipe, kind of went with the flow. So in the video, you're really gonna see that. So originally I just melted down 2 large blocks of Aero, which were 118 grams each, to 1 cup of cream. I found the color very unappetizing of the melted Aero. The green with the milk chocolate, it just produces a very unappetizing color, and I also found it very sweet. So I decided, after I'd melted it down, to add half a cup of melted dark chocolate, which really created a very nice color and added a better taste than just melting that on its own. So that's why I've added it separately. When you make it, you can just add them together. The other thing I will mention is I left it on the bench for about an hour and a half, and it still wasn't in any state to be whipped yet. So I threw it in the fridge for 30 minutes because I don't have all day to wait. I have a cake to finish, and it was perfect. So if you want, you can leave it for a couple hours on the bench, or you could do as I did and just put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then whip it good. And taste-wise, beautiful, perfect. Tastes like Aero, and it's light and creamy. So here it is, guys, whipped Aero ganache, straight from Olivia to you. Enjoy.